Hey, so now we are ready for video three or lesson three in Ghost Pages training. So what we're going to talk about now is setting up the Google site. So now you should have your blogging platform accounts all set up. You should have your tools ready to go. Before we do anything else, so we need to create that main hub where we're going to direct our traffic to and create our backlinks for, which is our Google site. So I'll show you exactly the kind of template you want to use. I'll talk a little bit about some key elements to the Google site. And then I'm going to talk about a little shortcut, little hacks that I use to create my reviews quickly using AI. So starting off, there is a site that I found that I used for free templates. That's right here. So you guys will have access to that. I'm going to show you here in a second how to get access to those. There's also some key elements for picking a Google site. So I'll show you the ones that are the best to choose from. So you guys can read through this, make sure you have all this in mind, header section, main content. We want to have a menu section so we can create new pages. Every time we do a new review, it's a new page on the Google site. We only need one Google site, but we have to create new pages for each review. You also do not need a custom domain. You can just use the Google site main domain. You also want to have clear places for your call to action and obviously put in your affiliate links, YouTube, if you're going to be doing YouTube, mobile responsiveness. And then here's some secrets to SEO friendly layouts with Google Sites. So make sure you go over that. And that's it for now. So let's go into how to get these templates that we can use. So what you're going to do is you're going to come to this website right here, and he's got lots of really good free Google site templates. And what you do, if you go to see, you can go here and search, and it will take you to the free section. But if you come here and you just go get template access for free for any of these free ones right here, what's going to happen is it's going to take you to this checkout. Now you can choose to buy the guy a coffee. So it's $2.99 if you want. And in this case, it's up to you. You can also get them for free. So if you want to give the guy a little bonus, I would suggest paying him $2.99 if you want, but that's what I did. And then after that, what you're going to do is you're going to get a Google Drive. So the Google Drive, after you get access to these templates, is going to show up in your Google Drive like this. So it's going to say free Google site templates by Kirksville Web Design. And you're going to have a tutorial here on how to use them, but I'm going to show you right now how easy it is. So what you want to do is look for a template that you like. So I believe this is the one that I used. Yeah, this is the one that I used. So what you do is you're going to come back here. You find the template you like. So look here. The key here is you want to find a template, like for example, this salon one's a good one. Again, the key is to have a bit of a menu up here, a header, and then a section for enough text. You can also have these linking to other pages. So that's another decent template you could use. I'll go through a few and explain which ones are good and which ones would not be that great. This one here is not a good one. Let's see about this one right here. This one, this one's not bad, but too much going on. And I don't like the sidebar here for those. Let's try restaurant. This one is a good one. So it's got the menu here at the top, and it's got a nice, easy spot for the header. And it's got a lot of room here for text for the home page. So we can create new pages. All right, let's move on. I'll show you the one that I used and how to use a different one. So first off, I used Family Update one. So all you have to do is come here to the one you're going to use. I'll use a different one just for a demonstration. Let's say I'm going to use graduates. All right. So I'll look at it first. This is a good one here. All right. So I've decided I want to use this one. All you got to do is go and click on the three dots, and then you're going to go make a copy. All right, so you're gonna click make a copy, and it's really simple. So you're gonna have if you're on Chrome in your Google account, it's going to go and oops, I'm just gonna go back to my home page. It's gonna go and create that for you right here. So copy of graduates. So you want to go to the copy one, because if you go to the regular one, you don't have editing ability, but you want to go to the one that you copied. So right here. So now I have the ability to edit it. So you just have to go pick the one you're going to use, click make a copy, and then go back to your Google site homepage, look for the copy that you made, and then go here and click, and now you can edit it. All right, so I'm going to go to the one that I already did for demonstration's sake. So I used the family update one, and this is the site that I created. So all I did is I changed the image, I put in a different headline, put a subheadline here, and then I used these menu items for each new page. And then in the middle of it, I just did a little bit of an overview of what the page is all about, Alpine product reviews. And then if I come down here, I've got some of my most recommended products below. So this is just for the homepage. This again links to those pages. And then I also included my MailerLite embed code for my newsletter template or my newsletter form. So highly recommend you do that once you have your MailerLite account. Let's just review, have a look at the site as it's published. So this is the published site here. So when you come to it, you can see it's very easy to find the different reviews at the very top here. So I can see Host Sonic 2.0 review. All right, and I'm going to show you this is blank now, but I'm going to show you how to fill that out once we do a review. And again, coming down here, just very simple little introduction, kind of like an About Us section, essentially. And then, of course, these ones right here link back to the sites as well. So what I'm going to show you guys a little trick that I do is I'm going to use Google Gemini. I'm going to use the Canvas option to quickly create reviews that make the pages look really, really professional. So here's an example. So if I click on this right here, you can see this is the review page. It's got the button, another button right here. And I use Google Gemini. I use the Canvas option in Google Gemini to create this really quickly. So I don't have to, you can still do the copy and paste option. But if I want to do, for example, this right here, then all I have to do is just fill in text, and I can still, write the review, have ChatGPT make it for me, or Claude make it for me, copy paste. But if you want to take it to another level and make it look like this, then that is what I'm going to show you in the next video, how to do that. So go ahead and create your Google Site account, come over to the templates here, get access to your free templates, pick a template that you want based on this information and what I just told you. Make a copy of it. You're going to go back to your Google site, go to the copied version, and now you can edit it any way that you want. All right, so next video, as I said, we're going to talk about how to use Google Gemini to create awesome looking pages. All right, talk to you later. Bye.